Hi, I'm Peter from igus, and today I would like to show you the new service life calculation for energy change, which includes a 36 months guarantee for every e-chain you can select there. If you visit our homepage, you will find the configurator right here on the main page. Click here to open the service life calculator. After checking our warranty hints, please select your preferred e-chain article number. In our example, we will choose the E4.56.20.200.0 and click the search. We choose, for example, 2 meters per second to square acceleration. You have further options. You can choose, for example, the temperature, dirt, and hard knocks. And after this, we can calculate the expected service life. For this case, the result is a service life of over 19 million double strokes. After your input, you can request a 36 months guarantee certificate. Just enter your name, your company, your email address, and the type of machine. You will get the certificate via email with a confirmation of your guarantee certificate. Your advantage is the 36 months guarantee. You get free spare parts for any energy chain that have failed due to wear in this time period. Try it. It's really amazing how fast and easy this works. If you have further questions, please write them in the comments below or contact us directly. If you find the video helpful, please like and share with your colleagues and friends. And that's it for today. Thank you for your audience. Bye bye.